Hello, in today's tutorial we're going to go over difference of cubes, a cubed minus b cubed. Here a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. In this example we have is x cubed minus 64. So the first thing we must do is change this into the form a cubed minus b cubed. So what number cubed gives you 64? That would be 4. So this turns into x cubed minus 4 cubed. And now we have the difference of cubes, which the x is the a and the 4 is the b. So we have x cubed minus 4 cubed is equal to, by this formula, x minus 4, because x is a and b is 4, times a squared, which is x squared, plus ab, which is x and 4, so 4x, plus b squared, which is 4 squared, which is 16. So that's the answer for this difference of cubes. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video.